Hello everyone, this is the part 3 of Port Security Laboratory number 6, which is the static MAC addressing. So, what is static MAC addressing? Static MAC addressing is a port security feature used in networking to tightly control which devices are allowed to access a specific switch port by manually assigning a known MAC address to a port. Network administrators can ensure that only specific device can connect to that port, enhancing the overall security of the network. So, how static MAC addressing works. So, when static MAC addressing is configured, the switch is explicitly told which MAC address is allowed on a given port. Any traffic arriving on that port is checked against the configured MAC address. So, if the incoming traffic matches the assigned MAC, it is allowed through. If it doesn't, the switch will either drop the traffic or trigger a security violation, depending on the security policy. Minsan naman is nag-error state siya. So, yon. So, simulan natin ang pag-configure dito sa switches. So, unang steps is ping from PC1 to PC2 to generate traffic between them. So, we are going to ping PC PC2 from PC PC1. So ping 102.168.1.12. Yeah. So step one is view the MAC address table of switch1 and take note of the MAC address of PC1. Yeah. Okay. Just which one? Yeah. Enable FP then SH MAC address table. Mali yung and search MAC address table. So yan. So ito yung uh, MAC address ng PC1. Copy natin yan. So view the MAC address. So step 3 na tayo. Enable port security on switch 1 on Fast Ethernet 02 interface and manually configure PC1 MAC address as a secure MAC address. So yan. Uh, uh, Step 3. On. So configure na natin. So interface. Sabi dun sa mga send dito. Switch. Switch. Switch naman. Switch. Switch. Ah, switch port. Switch port mode of skills. Switch port security. security, MAC address, then yung MAC address kanina ng PC1. Okay. Paste natin yan. Enter. Port security not enabled on interface was or yung mali yan. Mag-switch ng ano. Switch port security. Yan. Ayun. Okay na. So next is the step number 5. Number 5. No, step number 4 pa pala. Repeat the process on switch 2 or PC2. So, repeat natin. I-configure from P and muna natin message na hindi ko pa napitin. Ring pa natin yung PC1. So, yan. Let's search yung MAC address. So, ito yung interface bus Ethernet 0. And switch port, switch port mode access. Switch port security. And MAC address. And paste natin dyan yung MAC address ng is. Yan. Enter. So, yun. So, sa in between PC1 and PC2 to test. So, try natin iting si ping 192.168. Oh, meron ka rin. So, yun, good siya. And pwede natin dito i-ping yung PC1. Ping 192.168.1.11. So, goods naman siya. So, next is step number 6. Remove the cables connecting the PCs to the switches and then connect PC1 to switch 2, pass Ethernet interface, and PC2 to switch 1, pass Ethernet interface. So, remove natin to. Oops. Cancel yung cable. So, yan. Then, Iko-connect natin 'tong PC1 sa switch 1 at PC2 sa switch 1. Then connect din naman natin 'tong PC1 sa switch number 2. So, step number 7, ping from PC1 to PC2. What happens? So, try natin 'tong i-ping yung PC1 from PC2. So, tignan natin kung anong mangyayari. So, kanina, sinabi ko naman, ah, kung paano gumagana yung static MAC addressing. So, ayan, try natin i-ping yung 168, I mean, yung sa kabila pala. Try natin yung i-ping yung PC1 dito sa PC2. That's 1.12. Ay, 11 pala. So, yan. Nag-error siya. Bakit? Kasi static MAC addressing is um, any traffic arriving on the port is checked against the configured MAC address. So, iisa lang ang pwedeng ah, pumasok kasi yung MAC address ng switch 1 is naka-configure na doon sa PC1. Sa PC1 lang dapat yun. Then, yung switch 2, ang nilagay nating ano, sa static MAC address niya is yung PC2 din lang. Kaya hindi yan pwedeng mag-ping na dalawa. Kaya so yun yung static MAC addressing. So try din naman natin dito. Ito yung PC2 from PC1. 11. Yan. Di din. Oh, okay. O pala. Okay lang. Reconnect the cables as in the original topology. So, i-connect natin sila pabalik sa dati. Hmm, so, yan. Babalik na siya. Hintayin lang natin siya mag-boot. Boot. Boot. Yan. Try muna natin. Hmm, gagi pining ko pala kanina yung sarili ko. Kaya hindi gumana. So, yan, di na din siya gumagana. Para gumana yan is para to fix the problem and try to ping from PC1 to PC2 once more. So, try nga natin ping. Number 2 to 168. Meron siya. Ito yung nahuli kong ano. So, para ah mapagana yan ulit, punta tayo sa may switch 1. And, ay, mali. Mali. Yun, pagandahan niya. So, and, um, shut down. Then, oh, mali pa rin. Mali yung type ko. Oh, para maayos to, mali pa lang. OSP, ayan. Then, inter, interface to, yan. No shutdown, ay, shutdown, no shutdown. Yan. Para maayos kanina kasi hindi siya. So, try natin i-change yung PC2 from PC1. 1924. Okay. So, yan. Gumagana siya. So, ito lang yung port security static MAC addressing. So, yun lang.